So we're at the Cherryhill Tesla service department, right? And these guys dropped the Tesla off for service today because we had a problem with it not going into shutdown and a charger problem. And
he's pointing at the car that's parked on the grass.
So needless to say, the visit today wasn't free, and don't use an aftermarket charger, so they say. You can see here they're charging someone's car.
This one's on charge too.
Yeah, so there's quite a few cars here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36. There's at least 50, 60 Teslas here, and not because they're in good shape. Something is obviously wrong with them. I doubt they're all pre-deliveries.
The dealer tags are deliveries, and there was only a couple of them.
There's license plates all on
yeah.
Most of them, right?
Yeah.
So 48, 47. You said this was packed today?
Oh my God. I had to park right here in front of the dumpsters.
So how many parking spots do they have? So 50, plus they park cars on the side over here too. Just want to see, 49. So they could probably get 60 or 80 cars outside, double parked, plus whatever's on the inside.
They had them parked in front over here. They were double parked over here. Like, it was crazy.
And they're not taking delivery on all these cars, so you can just call that a bunch of shit. Tagged, tagged, tagged. So if you think that, that these Teslas don't have issues and warranty issues, yeah, you can take a look at their parking lot here. And this is Cherryhill, and this is a small dealership. Cars everywhere, and inside the service center, there was cars everywhere too. Tagged. So they're not here because they're perfect, right? Teslas don't need repairs and maintenance. There you go. This is proof. Take a ride around your Tesla. If they didn't need work, look, how many cars are in the service department already? And they're closed. So on the lift means there's a problem. I don't know why they have another truck in there. Oh, somebody's working on their personal vehicle. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. There's at least 30 cars in the shop right now. And then look at all the warranty stuff right here. And look at the pallets of batteries. They're not maintenance free. They're not less maintenance than a gasoline vehicle. And if they were, this dealership would be empty.